Hello! Welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style, my YouTube channel. So, this is our patties from last Friday I did on the live. Those are stuffed with goat cheese and some dry figs. So, we got some basic bacon just like, and our buns. We're gonna toast them a little bit, yeah. So, after the buns are toasted, I will use some fixed mustard I have bought. So now we're gonna add some rucola. Just pre-wash rucola. Remember, always pre-wash your veggies and fruits. It's very important. So now our patties, we have to be very carefully while cooking them, because as they have a touch of sweet with the dry figs, they are very easy to burn. You see, the middle one is a little bit overburned, but just a slightly touch. But you just have to be careful. Just a small tip. Now some goat cheese, as we also have in the patties goat cheese. Now we're gonna top it as well with a little bit of goat cheese. And now we are gonna add some of our bacons. And we are gonna finish it with our red onion and thyme jam. This is just caramelized red onions. Look, I will leave you the recipe also. I have to edit it, but I will do it. It will be on the channel for sure. Look, they are very easy to prepare. Just butter, oil, thyme and onion, sugar, salt, pepper, that's it. So now we're gonna end with our bun top. We're gonna make these pieces of wood. They just support that they don't slide all the burgers. And look at the coleslaw, the potatoes, both. I will also edit the videos. So I hope you like it, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.